What's up, y'all? It's your boy Ish, and welcome to Stick to the Code. On this channel, we'll be going through the journey of becoming a web developer from nothing, from the mud. And pretty much on this channel, I'm going to be breaking down different websites to learn from, which websites I prefer, and why do I prefer them, which websites I dislike and why I dislike them. I will be going over my journey as becoming a web developer and sharing what I learned and sharing what my little bit of knowledge, putting my 2 cents and trying to help out the world. Yeah. Who am I? My name is Ishmael, or you can call me Ish if you like. 25-year-old Muslim man from Philly, and I have no college experience at all. Excuse me. I graduated high school with a GED, and yeah, that's pretty much about me. Um, the reason I began my journey is because one, because the lifestyle of a coder. I really want a remote web developer because of my lifestyle. I'm Muslim. I prefer to be at the masjid, praying 5 times a day, and it just fits my lifestyle better. And eventually I want to travel and see knowledge of Islam. And the money, it's a good career. It's not the one of the richest careers, but it's also it's well paying if you're good at your job. For my research, I have learned that, and it's not hard to get a job as a web developer from what I have read and researched myself. So we'll find out along the journey. This is a journey. We're gonna embrace the journey. We're gonna go through the course. It's gonna be ups and downs. We're gonna embrace them all. I'm gonna embrace them all, and we're gonna find out how hard it is really to get a job, or how hard the journey is, or how easy it is to become a web developer now in 2020, which I believe is not that hard from whatever I already learned. So far, I have already studied HTML briefly and CSS briefly, and I'll explain now. I had started off with Khan Academy. It's a website. It has a lot of free courses on a lot of stuff. It starts like from grades K to 12, but it has college courses as well, and their courses are all free, and they accept donations. However, the problem with Khan Academy that they had me. I was doing some code. But I didn't really understand what I was doing. I didn't understand what was going on. I didn't understand the scripts, the tags, the elements I was using. They didn't teach me to understand the elements. They didn't teach me to understand the language. So from there, I went on the web and I, Googled certain things, and I fell upon a YouTube video. The YouTube video ended up telling me about CodePen and Scrimba. So I went on Scrimba, and Scrimba is a great website. Scrimba is really cool. Scrimba is a really good website. It's like more for a hands-on learning experience. They teach you. They have so many free courses. They have Tailwind, CSS Tailwind. They have HTML5 introduction to modern JavaScript. They have the boot camp primers, which is the one I started. I started that course, and it's basically like it's from V School, and it's from different schools and different boot camps. They, bring them on to one, and it's a pretty beneficial website. But it's all videos. They have assignments with them, and they have some also paid boot camps too, which I believe are like $100 or somewhere around that price range. I believe. I'll let you guys know in a separate Scrimba video. But yeah, it's a really good website. Really good website. Got a lot of free stuff. There's a lot of free knowledge in there. I advise you guys to go on to scrimba.com and check it out. And if not, they have a playground. They have a playground you could has for any language. And the next website that I'm using currently now is EDX. EDX has different college courses in various fields. Like they have accounting courses. They have business management courses. They have the courses I'm more aware of though, because of computer science, or computer science 101. They have programs too, paid programs, and most of the courses, pretty much all of these courses are free. All these courses are free. The programs you have to pay for, they're like probably from $100 to several $100s. Yeah, they have a lot of courses. Like, this is a really good website. They have courses from Harvard, courses from Stanford, courses from W3CX school. They have a lot of good courses. Like, this website is to not be played with. You gotta respect EDX. Yeah. So I'm doing it now, and I really like the EDX a lot. EDX is really beneficial. I'm doing the HTML and CSS fundamentals course, and it's by W3CX school, and it's really beneficial. Like, they broke it down to me. It's more reading in some videos, but it's mostly reading, and they broke it down to me. They broke it down to where I understood what hypertext was, markup language. I understood how the World Wide Web became to be. I understand these things now. And breaking down everything to me, they explain the elements to me. They explain tags. They explain each element and what each tag does and why it do. They have so many resources that they give you on this website. It is ridiculous. And this course, it's ridiculous how many resources they give you. And I highly recommend this course. I highly recommend it. Highly. The next course I had knowledge of, and I had done it briefly. I didn't really get too much into it. Now, by the way, I was speaking about all these courses in this channel. You know, this is just a brief overview of what this channel will be about and everything. But I would most likely be uploading one video a week, maybe two, depending on how it is. And basically, as I go through each course, I will break it down, and I will do each program, each website, and I'm gonna go from there. I'm gonna explain the the languages and everything like EDX does. Well, W3CX school and Scrimba does. Scrimba explains it really good. It's just videos. I'm more of a reader. I like to read. I retain information easier and more efficiently and for longer periods of time when I'm reading. And I prefer to read. I love to read. So, but Free Code Camp, it has steps. It has so many. I highly recommend this. And the way the website is like you reading and you're doing the exercise. You can't move on to the next lesson until you complete the exercises, until you do what they tell you to do. And they go in step by step, baby step, baby step, and baby step. And there's so many lessons. Like, they got a whole, and everything is free. Everything on is free. Oh, my bad, y'all. Forgot to mention EDX. You can pay for a certificate, but everything is free on EDX. But you can pay for the certificate. Some certificates like $35. Other ones are like $99, $200. It varies. It varies. But on Free Code Camp, certificate is free. It is free. It is free. Another one I heard of was like a real brief course. It's called Dash, and Dash is from General Assembly. Dash is really beneficial. It's similar to Free Code Camp, but it's not as in detail. It's not as in detail as Free Code Camp. It's pretty good. But yeah, each of these things, each of these courses, I will be going over them on a weekly basis or twice a weekly basis. And yeah, right now I'm in the HTML and CSS fundamental course, and it's a 6-module course. So I'm gonna try to do at least a module a week. I'm gonna at least do one module a week, and go from there. I'm gonna try to do more, but at least that's the bare minimum. Is one module a week. And if you're in the same boat as me right now, we in this together. You're not out here alone, and I'm gonna share everything I learned with you. Every benefit I got is right here. It's free game. I got you, like, cause it took me hours to get to this point where I'm at. To even find out about computer web development, and and actually understanding certain things, and and it's not easy, so. I'm here with you. I understand. I got you. We in here together. When it's together. I appreciate you guys for tuning in to stick to the code. Remember, we gotta stick to the code. We gotta stay in it. We going hard, and we're not giving up. We sticking to the code. That's what we about, man. But yeah, hopefully you guys benefited from this video. and you guys tune into my next video. I will be uploading my next video really like not too long, but before the week is out. It will be a video on module 1 of the HTML and CSS fundamentals course, and that's how I want to start from right there. We're gonna move forward from there. Each module a week, module at a time. We're gonna break it down. We're gonna do it. All right, guys, have a great one. I'm out.